Alright, internet is full of spoilers for the upcoming supplement for Vanguard. So Ice and Iron is coming out in about a week, and we have a little sneak peek here from Until Somebody Loses an Eye blog. Links below to that, and you can check out everything. It's good written. It's coming across really good here. It's starting with how the campaign is moving on and the lore behind the Vanguard and why Abyssal Dwarf is moving into the Northern Alliance up north. What? All right, so read that. It's really really nice. And but we are going to go straight into the Pointscreeps coming out here. So I recommend you to just pop by in the blog to really read deep into it. But I'm going to just read every points that he has gathered from the book so far. Also, okay. So Basilians, Gerp Hunter has dropped 6 points. That's good because I think the elves have a cheaper pussy in their warband. Sergeant have dropped 3 points, lost the red die and added a helping hand. As a key mechanic, I can't remember on top of my head. Maybe that's a new keyword. Forces of Abyss, Hellhound has dropped 4 points, and Abyssal Warlock had added 1 point, added a red die, lost large and added steady. So Warlock is coming up really good. Red dice are nice. Night Stalkers, Shade changed the red die to a white die. So now it's 2 white dice. So that's really nice. Shadowhound has dropped 5 points, and Reaper Shoulddrinker upped 3 points and added a red die. That is good. Okay, Northern Alliance, Ice Queen dropped a point, add Dazzle Short and Lash 1 power point. Power dice. And Ice King Hunter has dropped 4 points. Personally, I wish they had dropped maybe 6 points, and there are something about Ice King Hunter. I really want them to function, and I can't get them to function as I want them. So I don't know what it is. Maybe 4 points will help. Okay, Dwarves, Steel Juggernaut dropped 8 points, added 1 speed and Headstrong. Oh shit. Okay, the Steel Juggernaut is a beast, and now he is a mighty beast. Iron Guard had dropped 4 points. Mastiff Packmasters dropped 7 points. Changed Uncumbered to Cumbersome and changed from Support to Warrior. So now you can pack in 5 of them. Woof woof. Berserker Lord has a brand new unit and it's a command, so that's going to be cool to see what that is all about. Forces of Nature, Wild Companion upped 4 points. Goblins, no change. Trident Realm, Otter Brevi lost a wound. Uh-oh. Undead, Wrath dropped 4 points. The big problem here is that the card is being released the same time as this update. Same day as this update with the older point cost on it. No, Mantic, no. So what else has changed? Okay, so Elves, Battle Cat dropped 4 points. Ogres, no change. Abyssal Dwarf, no change. Empire of Dust, Pharaoh Champion, lost a red die. Oh no. Orcs, God Fuel changed to long to short spell. Okay. Crusher dropped 4 points, changed red die to white die. A. ME and NE both went up a point. And add Inspiring, Warriors and Grunts only. Skulk lost Scout. Okay. Godspeaker up 3 points, added a white die, added God Fuel short, and Kruger lost a red die and back to 2. Okay, Twilight Kin, Reaper Guard renamed to Impaler. Okay. Shadowhound dropped 5 points. Summoner Crone dropped 2 points. Executioner dropped 2 points. League of Rhodia, no change. Brotherhood, Longbowman renamed to Bowman, dropped 7 points. Changed Longbow to Bow and range 12 inch. And here is the kick in the nuts. Lost Combined Fire. No! I was about to make a warband of this, and yeah, okay. Yeah, that was kind of OP. Spearman dropped 2 points. That's good. Maybe we can take Spearman now, because Spears is a good ability. Hey! Kingdom of Men, no change. Warrior, no change. Salamanders, no change. The Herd, Tribal Hunter, replaced throwing knife with sling. Correct special rule. Was called two-handed weapon. Rule is, and it's no problem named combined fire. Okay, and Spirit Walker dropped a point and lost the red die. So no spamming 5 of the Spirit Walker boomers that explode in your face when they die. And you lost, you know, they lost the red dice. And also there I was making a herd and having Spirit Walkers. So another kick in the nuts. So no nuts left for me. Damn it. Okay, Ratkin, no chances. This is what I've been able to find so far, he says. But I'm sure that I have, I'm not sure I have everything. And of course, most of my demo warbands have changed. Dropped the point, in fact. I know enough actually to add another model. So, yeah. So what this is for the future, we will see. It's going to be real fun to see the book first-handed, but it's really nice to have a little glimpse into what changed in the points and everything like that. Alright, comments below. Have you been kicked in the nuts? And like and subscribe and all that YouTube jazz. Alright? And now it's out. Hey, I'm a pro YouTuber. Bye now.